folks, with the Def Pro 6000, another model in our line of DEF dispensing equipment. This is a skid-mounted system, multi-verse here. This particular model is a 220-volt, 2-inch pump, a little higher flow rate, designed for bulk to tote, bulk to bulk. Drum and nozzle here, micromatic on the suction end. I don't know if you can see here, we've instituted a cam lock fitting so we can disconnect and hook straight to a cam lock on a bulk tank or a mobile tank or what have you, depends on how you're using it. This way you're not limited to just one type of connection, and bam, there you are on the micromatic side. And dispensing side is very similar with the ball valve. Same way here. Just pull out and then you can bulk load out, or you can put the micromatic insert and do the micromatic closed loop fill. Or we have a drum and nozzle here for the open fill situations that we would encounter. Alright, and as I mentioned before, we have a 220 volt motor here. It's a little bit different setup than the 110s, of course. Have a special 2-pole switch inside here. And of course we don't have the normal quarter reel, we have loose, pigtailed in. So if you want to use a 30 amp switch, you can attach it, or you can hardwire, as most people have in the warehouse. Simple on and off switch. Fluid immediately comes out through the filter, and on the back side of the filter here we have a 2-inch free flow banjo meter with touch photo cells going into the 80 gallon per minute Shelco filter here. Just like that, coming out to the drum and nozzle. All mounted on a HDPE 4-way access polyethylene pallet. As you see here, we have a couple of upgrades on this particular unit. Standard is 1.5 inches. On this particular unit, we've gone with 2-inch hosing all the way around, the upgraded 2-inch pump, all the way around to the banjo 2-inch meter, filter. At this point here, after the filter, we can do a hose reel up to 1.5 inches, 50 feet. Shouldn't need more than that. We have just 25 feet of loose 2-inch hose here for higher flow rate. There's a couple other options we can incorporate here, and that would be a power inverter. We could go something of a 2-tier unit here on top to make it an autonomous unit, no power needed per se from a customer site or the truck or anything like that. Obviously we can put the weights and measures approved meter, register, and a ticket printer here, mechanical or digital. And as a 2-tier upgrade, we would actually completely change the format here and go to a perhaps a diamond plated metal skid with channel guards all the way around, so we can weld a platform up here for a power inverter. Pretty heavy, so we need extra support that way. And what we do a lot of times is line it with a polyurethane blown on coating for the chemical resistance to keep it from rusting and stuff like that in that nature.